up, Danny gang? Back to my channel. So today is September 9th and I am starting off my egg fast, and I'm so excited because I love having people to do my egg fast with, and I decided to create this group me group, and I invited whoever wanted to do the egg fast, and you would get tips, and you know, I would just be there to walk with you through the journey because I'm also doing the egg fast. So throughout this video, I'll be like putting clips of the group and the group's progress. And I think it's just so cool. My brother's even doing this. So many people. I think we have about 14 people. So I'm just super excited. I wanted to come and open the vlog. So yeah, we're going to be walking now because, guys, I just ordered a freaking waffle maker from Target because when I tried to get one yesterday, Walmart didn't have one. So I just ordered a waffle maker from Target like literally 5 minutes ago, and they already said I could come pick it up. So y'all know Target is like super close to my job. So I'm just about to walk to Target. It is 8:37. So I'm about to go ahead and walk over here, grab my waffle maker. If y'all watch my previous egg fast videos, then you know I like to make the egg pancakes. But that consistency, I end up getting tired of it like by the second day. So this time what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try my dinner eggs, waffles, and you know, have the syrup and everything. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. It's day one. I have not ate yet. The only thing I've had is a full bottle of water. So the first meal I eat, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay guys, here's like a little tip if you are kind of like me. So y'all, I did not have time to meal prep any eggs this morning, but I did have time to grab my cheese. So luckily for me, the building that I work in has 4 restaurants. So what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna go order 4 eggs. And luckily for me, I work in Buckhead, so you can choose which butter you want to use. I'm gonna ask them to use Kerrygold butter. So if you're like me and you work where there's a restaurant nearby or something like that, you can still do the egg fast. You know, you just have to go and order it, which is what I'm gonna do. Okay guys, really quickly, I'm fresh off work, so this is almost the end of day 1 of this egg fast, but I'm off work. I'm about to head home. I got kind of like a slight headache or whatever, so it's time to eat. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go home, and I think I'm gonna do like a little quick workout, and then we're gonna make waffles. I don't know if I'm gonna do like in depth, show you guys how I make the waffles, but yeah, I'm gonna do chaffles for dinner. So let's go. Good morning, Danny gang. So guys, it's 5:27. It is September 10th, and I'm about to go to work. So it's day 2 of the egg fast. I'm feeling really good. I got on the scale. I'm about 2 pounds down, which is awesome, and we still got today and tomorrow to go. So my goal is to lose 10 pounds or close to it. But yeah, yesterday I ended up making egg waffles for dinner, and when I say those chaffles were so good, I used egg and I used cream cheese. I put them in my little mini dash waffle maker, and then I used some sugar-free syrup. Y'all, they were so freaking delicious. So I'm definitely gonna be having those again tonight for dinner, and probably Wednesday for dinner as well. So yeah, I did have a headache last night, which I always have a headache like on day 1. So I had a headache last night, and all I did was like drink some more water, and then I went to sleep early. So I went to sleep around 10 o'clock, around 10:30. So yeah, that was good. But yeah, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. Usually after day 2 is when I really start feeling like the keto flu and everything. But yeah, I just wanted to come and touch bases. Today for breakfast and lunch, I'm doing scrambled eggs again. So I don't know if I'm going to show you guys that, but I will come back for dinner and I'll show you guys how I make the waffles. And then, yeah. So I'll be checking in throughout the day, letting you guys know how I feel. And yeah, let's get this day started. I'm about to be on my way to work, and I'm in my car. Obviously, that's why the lighting is so horrible. So yeah, see y'all some point today. I'll see y'all later. Okay guys, so it's day 2 of the egg fast, and it's lunchtime. So far I've had 2 eggs, 1 square cheese, and some tea. So yeah, that's what I've had so far. I'm walking over to Target because I gotta get some stuff, and then when I get back from lunch, I'm gonna eat 2 more scrambled eggs with some more squares of cheese. I'm not gonna show you that because it's repetitive, but I will be back for dinner time. I do have to say that I am not hungry at all. Like, I'm content because I've been drinking like so much water. So that is another tip. If you're gonna do this, make sure you drink so much water. So yeah, let me get in Target and I'll see y'all for dinner. Okay guys, it's a dinner time, and I promised that I would come back and show you guys how I make my waffles, because the last time I did this 3-day egg fast, you guys love the pancakes. So basically all you need is 2 tablespoons of cream cheese and 2 eggs. As you see, I'm cracking it into my personal size blender because we are gonna blend it up. So yeah, that's all you're gonna need for this recipe. If you want, you could probably add a dash of cinnamon or whatever. So yeah, as you see, I'm just kind of warming up my Dash waffle maker. That's the one I got from Target, and I'm also blending up the concoction. So now I am going to prepare everything to make the waffles, and as you see, I have some butter spray, and I actually used this spray, and then after I made 2 waffles, I end up using just Kerrygold butter because that spray has no fat. So yeah, I did use Kerrygold butter, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it on, and as you see, that blue light came on, which means that it's time to cook. And after the blue light goes off, that means that they are ready. So in this time, I'm just going to use the time to go ahead and get my plate out and kind of clean everything up. So yeah, I'm making the second one, and I'm spraying the butter onto the waffle maker, and then I'm going to pour my egg and cream cheese inside. Don't fill it up too much to overflow, just enough to cook. So yeah, now a perfect waffle, y'all. When I say the consistency of these waffles is so much better than the pancakes, like, I was freaking lit. So yeah, I just turned it around and I closed it again because I like mine with a little bit of a crunch. So yeah, I just did that and I waited. So yeah, here is the final product of how the waffles came out. So 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of cream cheese make 4 waffles, and then I just put some of that sugar-free syrup on my waffles. I think I used a teaspoon, and then I'm going to be drinking one of my favorite drinks from Walmart, and as you see, 0 carbs. So this is a permitted beverage, and yeah, I love this waffle maker, and it was only like $8 from Target. So winning. Good morning, Danny gang. I'm at work. It's day 3, and we're gonna start our day off with tea. I am experiencing keto flu like crazy, so yeah, let's get it.
I mean, to me, it's not. That's fine. It's great. Whatever. But then be like.
So guys, I just wanted to come and end out the vlog or out the video. So it is officially the last day, like the egg fast is over. When I woke up this morning, it was over. So today is Thursday, September 12th, and I have completed my 3rd egg fast. So I'm so excited about it. I wanted to just take time to come and tell you guys how much I lost. So I ended up losing a little over 10 pounds, y'all. It's hot right now, so I'm sweating, but I can definitely feel it. I feel lighter. and I could see the difference. Like I said, I always see it in my face. Y'all let me know in the comments, can you see like a before and after of the weight loss in my face? And my face usually always gets like a little bit clearer when I do the egg fast. So yeah, I just wanted to come back and say that I did experience keto flu yesterday. Keto flu was really bad like the whole day. So I did experience keto flu, but I did lose a little bit over 10 pounds throughout the 3 days. And I didn't come back yesterday and show you guys what I ate because I legit just ate scrambled eggs. It's like on day 3 I be totally over it, so I just had scrambled eggs for the rest of the day. And then this morning I woke up and I had tea again, and then I intermittent fasted until about 1 o'clock, and I just ate some veggies and some grilled chicken. So yeah, I just wanted to come and let you guys know that I am done with the fast. Y'all have seen the other 2 on my channel, so y'all already know how I get down. The fast was hard as crap. However, I woke up, I tested myself, and I am in deep ketosis. If I have a video clip, I'll put that clip in. But just like previously, the last 2 times I did it, like I said, this is foolproof. I always wake up in deep ketosis. So I'm in ketosis. I lost 10 pounds, and yeah, so I'm super excited. But I wanted to come and just end out the vlog. I've done these vlogs 2 times before, which is why this one wasn't as detailed as the other vlogs that I've done. But I did want to make sure that I vlogged it, and I wanted to come back and end it out. Oh yeah, and I wanted to give a huge shout out to all the ladies and the gentlemen that did the egg fast with me. Everybody lost at least 4 pounds, so I'm super proud of everybody. And if I decide to do the egg fast again, I'm gonna leave the group open so that when I do it again, I can just add new members or the same members can join. But yeah, shout out to all of them, y'all. The group was so nice because everybody was like posting like their breakfast, their lunch. When they got frustrated, they would post. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of those clips on the sides of the screens as I'm talking, because I'm just so happy. And then at the end of it, everybody this morning was just saying how happy they were that we did it and how motivating it was to have a group do it, because y'all, eating eggs only 3 days straight is so freaking hard. So I appreciated the group myself because I needed that motivation, because as y'all know, I hate eggs. So the fact that I had people with me like eating eggs, gonna do it one more time, and I was motivating them each morning like one more day, dropping gifts in the group to make everybody laugh. So I'm just super excited. I also threw some keto tips out there about like after the fast, how to start eating keto, and like if you want to drink alcoholic beverages, I let everybody know how to do that. So yeah, I just had a really good time in the group. So again, thank you all the ladies, and if you're watching this video, leave a comment down below and say hey, because we did our thing. Thank y'all so much for joining, and I love y'all. But anyway, y'all, it's hot. I'm about to go back to work. Y'all know how these things go. Like I said, I did experience the keto flu, but it was all worth it because now I'm in ketosis and I'm down 10 pounds. So all right, y'all. So if you watched the whole vlog and you made it all the way to the end, leave a little egg down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Reported live from the internet, signing out. Back to you, world. Deuces.